All right, so I went to Harbor Freight and got me some ratchet straps, the pull ones with the quick button instead of the ratcheting. So they're the cam tie downs. So I went and got these to give it a go. I figured it'll hold down pretty good. I'm probably gonna do 2, maybe 3, just depending on the situation. But it's something to help lock it down because the duct tape's never really good. Or this is actually Gorilla Tape, but I figured just put it on for extra reinsurance. So this way, all I gotta do now is just push this button, way easier. And then you just pull it. And I also got 6-footers. And they're not big enough. So I got the wrong size, apparently. But all I seen was 6-footers there, so when in doubt, we'll double them out. This is a double lock. That's where they're guaranteed to lock. So all you do is do the double lock. So all you gotta do is this, bring it in, put it in. So now you got double the strength. So also this winter, you got to make sure that hole's clean for the bees. You got to make sure that hole's open. I was thinking about making something for the snow set over it to where they can still kind of come out, but we got to clean it. But you can see how that is. Got some workers working here. Yeah, so I got her strapped down now. Not the prettiest job. I underestimated it. I went with 6-footers instead of 12-footers. But you get the hint. Should be ready to go for winter. Thanks for watching.